High ping in Valorant can negatively affect your gameplay experience. Here is a simple guide to help you reduce your ping and enhance your performance. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, as it generally provides a more reliable and faster connection. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, or any other programs that might be consuming your internet resources. Step 3. Change server region. In Valorant, you can change your server region to one that is closer to your physical location. This can significantly reduce your ping. Go to the settings menu and select the appropriate server. Step 4. Optimize network settings. Adjust your network settings for better performance. This can include changing your DNS settings to faster DNS provider or enabling quality of service QoS settings on your router to prioritize gaming traffic. Step 5. Contact your internet service provider. If you continue to experience high ping, reach out to your internet service provider. They may be able to identify issues with your connection or offer solutions to improve your internet speed. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce your ping and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Valorant. Good luck and have fun.